Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janelle Tarpey. Today is a brand new video of how to make lace beads, okay? Anyways, you can make it yourself. And like, I'm just thinking about it like, yeah, the same way how like people just make it out of beads, right? But also we need to learn the meaning of waist beads. It's not for jewelry or anything. It's also about femininity. I can't say that. Femininity represents that. I'm gonna put some facts. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some. I already made some already. I'm gonna put in a clip right here. Now I'm gonna make one. So let me show all of the things that I got are very inexpensive, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the first one I got. So I got this glass seed bead assortment from Walmart. Like all these beads in it. Oh, so the one that I'm making right now, I am using this red color, and I'm using this color and the red color, and then I'm using this gold one. I don't want to waste it because I don't think it's the same. But yeah, I got all these beautiful colors, and I'm like, yes. And then you can use this string. This is the satin silver bead and stretch. Make sure you get the stretch kind, not to get the, well, you can get the iron kind if you want. I got the stretchy one. All of these are $13 altogether, but you can get like the little pack if you want to. I got the whole pack because, you know, I wanted to make more and it to be colorful. Beads, the seed beads, glass seed assortments were $9.94, so $10 and $3. So it was $13, but right now I am making the orange one. And you can see I'm making the orange. I'm putting 3 on each. 3 of this, 3 of the red, and 3 for the lighter yellow. And yeah. So let me show y'all how I'm doing it right now. And make sure you always, what you're gonna have to do is measure the little string from your waist by your stomach. So as you can see, I got mine right here. But make sure when you take the string, you measure it by your waist, and make sure you cut it as well when you're finished so it can fit the exact way. This one, I made it like too tight around my stomach. It's supposed to fall. But yeah, I made this one perfectly fine. So yeah. I made this other one with pink and blue and purple. So right now I'm making the orange one, and this is my last one. I'm gonna make more tomorrow because I've been sitting in this place for like almost like 3 or 4 hours, but it's all worth it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and it's very easy too. So let me see. So I'm gonna take one side and I'll do it in a pattern. I'm gonna take this little bead, the orange bead. I'm sorry, the lighting is so bad. I'm gonna take the bead and I'm gonna put it through the string. And you're just gonna keep continuing that until the bead get full. So I'm gonna come back when I'm literally half done the string.
These are all the waist beads I have made. I forget to record, but this is how it looks, and when the string is halfway down, tie the string a few times so it can stay, and are done. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.